the index of the presentation is the project. I talk about the project, then I talk about the general framework of the project, the main question, and the emerging trends of in knowledge construction that we think are important to consider, and the system we use to do that, and some reflections. The project itself is not our project. We just contributed in a different layer to this project. The name of the project is Cooking Science, Condensed Matter. It is already being exhibited in the Center of Arts, Santa Monica in Barcelona. It's already in exhibition. And the curators decided to transform the exhibition in a laboratory, the laboratory in a place of experience, and to open science to society. And so, in their website, they say, Cooking Science invites us to look at cooking, gastronomy, and nutrition through the scientist's eyes and see them as a truly cultural activity which brings a wealth of knowledge into play. Eating habits go beyond vision, challenge the vision, and introduce different senses in the experience. So, in order to explore the second layers of contents, they asked us to prepare an electronic margin of this conference, so that this conference could have this second layer and people could assess a different kind of information that was not present in the conference, and to experience the conference by means of personal technologies, like mobile phones, PSP, all kinds, no? They were talking about, for instance, one of the art, it's not an art piece, it's a kind of experimental scientific exhibition. They say that cooking also shapes the landscape. And the landscape, in turn, with its specific geography and climate, determines our cooking and our feeding experience. So the perception and landscape define our cooking. And at the same time, this is linked to innovation and scientific research. Cooking transforms matter to and from its states of solid, liquid, and gas, and make not only it edible, but also creative, surprising, and suggestive. Nutrition and gastronomy work according to a phase diagram with a soft and ductile condensed matter that can trap gas in a liquid or liquid in a solid, reducing the liquid to a highly concentrated form. Why I'm bringing this? This is from the website. This is their statement, okay? They would like to bring all this experience of matter transformation into very popular kinds of knowledge from general public. So they are dealing with two different worlds, a very closed scientific dimension that they would like to make it very popular. And they asked us to help them to turn this laboratory in experience. So we prepared, there are many different systems to link different kinds of knowledge to the physical world. But we decided to use quick response codes, the normal QR codes that I suppose everybody knows what is this, plus some alphanumerical codes to make it wider, the access to the exhibition. So we developed 25 quick response codes for this exhibition, and this brings us exactly in the hinge of two of the most important trends in tagging that's very important today, is the web tagging and the object environment tagging. And so the exhibition items were tagged with QR codes and alphanumerical codes. These were like there were all kinds of installations, even surveys, scientific surveys that were all developed by means of the mobile telephone, mobile devices.